Hello, in this video I'm going to show you on how to log in for the first time user. So first of all, you have to insert the username that we have provided. For example, I'm going to put admin and also insert the password. And then click login. So upon login to the system, you will see a form as shown in this screen. So this form requires you to insert the details or information of your organization. So these two are the logos that you have to upload. So first one is the logo that will appear on your receipt and your payslip. So let's choose one. I'm going to select logo and choose. And for this one, the logo will appear in your general report, for example, in outstanding payment report and daily payment collection. So you choose well. And then you select and choose. Next up is to insert the company's name. So I'm going to put SimID, Cindy and Berhat. And the code is a short name for the company's name. So I'm just going to put SimID. And then if you have another contact number, you can insert here as well. And the street is the address of your company. And the state, the city, and also not forgetting the passcode. Here you can select the country that you come from. So I'm from Malaysia, so I'm going to select Malaysia. And select the currency that your organization use. You have a lot of choices here, so I'm just going to select Malaysia Ringgit. And I'm going to save. So after you have completed or you fill out the form, the next step is to fill out your empty dashboard. So this empty space we call as dashboard. So in order to fill out the dashboard with widgets, you go to widget setting, and then you can select the widgets that you want to appear on the dashboard. So I'm going to select all and click Save Changes. So now as you can see, we have all the widgets that I have selected appeared on the dashboard. And for your information, you can actually change the title of the widget. So for example, I'm gonna change the title as important shortcuts. And then I'm gonna change the color by selecting the color that I want. So I'm gonna select gray. And then click back this pencil icon again. And the same applies to the other widgets. So let's try on the other widget. Click pencil icon, and you can change the title of the widget, and you may select the color that we have here. You can now select red and click back the pencil icon again, and it changed. So back on the widget, every single widget that we have here has its own function. So I'm going to explain one by one on the function of the widget. So let's start with shortcut icon. So these are the shortcut icons that we have. First up here is the student. When you click this icon, it will bring you to this page, which is named as Add or Edit Student. This is where you're going to get all the information of students inside the system. For more information on how to get the information of students inside the system, please refer to the video that we have provided in the video widgets in the widget setting. So back on the home page, Next is class management. So when you click here, the page will bring you to add or edit tuition class. So here you're going to add or create a new class. And back to the home page again. Next icon is sales and payment. When you click this, it will bring you to the payment page. On this page, you can register a student to classes or even make payment. Manual attendance will bring you to class attendance checklist page. Here you may generate a student's attendance checklist. Let's go back to home page. And this icon will bring you to the report of your daily collection, whereas this icon will bring you to the class calendar, in which you get to schedule the classes that you have. So next widget is the outstanding payment widget. Outstanding payment widget is a widget that will show the list of outstanding payment of students. Next is basic setup. So basically, basic setup is a checklist of important parts in getting the database being set up. And as you can see down here, the green checklist means you have predefined the required data. So just now we already updated the organization info, so that's why it's in green color. Absent students widget will show a list that displays the students that are absent. Draft receipt, on the other hand, is a widget that will show the receipts that are in draft mode. And last but not least is unregistered student. Unregistered student widget will display the name of the students that are not registered yet. So this is what we call jukebox. Jukebox houses the modules that we have in the system. So as you can see here, there are 3 modules, which are SimTrain, Help Desk, and Setup modules. So each module serves its own distinct function. SimTrain is the module that plays a major part of the system, and this is where users are going to do all the vital transactions that are involved in the operation of the learning center, such as on how to create student profile and how to create payment and others. Help Desk, on the other hand, is a module in which if you have any inquiry while using the system, all you need is to log into this system. Just click on this module. So this is the Help Desk system. So if you have any inquiry while using the system, you just log into it by inserting a username and the password provided by us, and click enter. For more information on how to use this system, please refer to our written user guide, in which the link will be provided at the end of this video. And last but not least is the setup module, in which this module holds the setup details on how to get started to set up the system. So for more information on how to do the basic setup, please refer to this link.